Hi, good morning all. Today's session is UVM, Universal Verification Methodology. It is it is not a language. It is the one of the methodology, best methodology from SV. In this also we will write system Verilog only. After that, few methodologies were evolved. OVM, UVM, and all. Among them, UVM is the best thing. So entire industry is using nowadays UVM. So it is mandated to learn UVM. So I have a structured course so that we will go step by step to understand from the scratch to the advanced level. Okay, let me share my screen. Can you able to see this playground, EDA playground?
Yeah, bro.
Okay. In this, we need to go. This is system Verilog everything. Okay. In this simulators, see, these all simulators, though it have all the simulators in the entire industry, but free version till some level only. All the Rivera Pro only providing free. Remaining everything uh, it needs credentials. So better you use Aldex Rivera Pro. So now I'll go to my UVM. This is UVM. Okay. I'll go structured way. I'll share all these codes you practice. Okay. To save the time, I'll explain the code entirely. These two lines tick include UVM macros dot svh. See, if you use this, then only we can use macros. What is macros means? Macro means it's like a simple what we call uh, simplest one. Okay. Uh, uh, if we write that macro background, there is a code for that actually. Okay. In UVM, it will take care of. If we write that thing only, it will do the task or function. I'll explain when we'll go for macros. Now import package, this is very very important. UVM package we need to import every time, because within the package only everything will be present. Next, see, I told you in UVM we will use inheritance and polymorphism. Okay, that's for sure. This is inheritance. We are using extends keyword. This is called base class or parent class. This is called child class. Okay, you can keep any name. Here we are creating one object. Okay, basic object. Whatever uh, in UVM, only two things will be there. One is object, another one is component. Okay, what is the difference means? The factory registration will be different. Okay, object will take sorry, construct constructor constructor will be different. Okay, in factory registration we will register class name, child class name we will register. In the that equivalent constructor, in that constructor two arguments will be taken for component, only one argument will be taken for object. In this C, this is an object, so class name we are giving, so it is called factory registration. It will do factory registration. Factory registration is like a table. In the table these things will be saved. I'll show the how it will work and what it look like. So this is called constructor creation, standard constructor creation. In this function, new string path. Okay, obj. What is this obj? Class name. Super dot new path. Super, what it will do? Super means it will point out to the parent class. Okay, this parent class. Path, what is this path? This path. Okay, string path, the same path we will copy here. Here we are taking only one variable a. This is 4-bit width. Okay, and we are prefixing with the rand keyword so that we can randomize. If we don't use rand keyword, then we cannot randomize. See, we have two different things. One is rand and rand c. Rand c means, see here, how many maximum number of combinations will come. 3 down to 0 means 4-bit, which means 2 power 4, 16 combinations. If we use rand c, okay, so it won't repeat the same thing until and unless the 16 will complete. This is called entire combinations. Okay, different random values will come, but it won't come previous value. In rand, it may come previous value also. Okay, this is class completed, and we are going to module. In this module, obj class name, that class name, we are creating an object. This is also called an instance. This is very important. Class is like an blueprint of the building. Object is like a own house. With the object only, uh, if we come, if we create object, then only we can do any operation. Okay. So in initial begin, we are this O object. We are creating a memory. This is called creating memory. New with new keyword like a system verilog. Okay. Object O dot randomize. This UVM info. Okay, their dollar display is there, right? Dollar right, dollar display. Similarly here, uh, tick UVM info. See, this tick UVM info is a macro. Okay, that's why that macro we need to include. Whatever the double quotations, it will display as it is. TB top, dollar S format, form, format F. This means it will print value of A, percentage 0D. See, 0D means decimal value. See, we will run this. We'll save this. We'll run. What is the problem? Test bench 4. Sorry. I I didn't mention here UVM. See here, none is there. So it is throwing an error. I need to select UVM. UVM latest version is UVM 1.2. That you need to select. Okay. Okay. I'm saving again. I'm running. Now it can understand. See here, TB top. Value of A is 6. Okay, understood? For example, if we give here, I'm giving loop, then what will happen? It will generate 2 times. It is generating only 1 time. Okay. Why it is generating only one value? Okay, I put a for loop for 0. Two. Okay. Begin. Why it is not coming? Only one value it is coming. Okay, I'll get back to you. Okay. We'll go for next code. Understood? Any doubt in this?
None.
Null argument passed. Okay. This passing null argument. Okay. See here. The difference is we have taken two variables. Those are type integer. Earlier, we wrote in a TQM object utils. Same object only we have taken parent class. This is always derived from child class extended from UVM object class. UVM object class is derived from UVM object class. Okay. So here path. Same here. Everywhere standard. This standard constructor will be same. Okay. For any program, entire UVM. That's why UVM is easy. Compared to system Verilog, UVM is dead easy. Rand bit 3 down to 0 A. Okay, rand bit 7 down to 0 B. See, these are macros. These are called macros. TQM object utils begin, end. Oh, here class name, same class name, object, OBJ. See here, field int A, int B, UVM no print, UVM binary, bin means binary, UVM default, UVM decimal. Okay, for B it will print. For A it don't print. No print means it doesn't print. Okay, again module, same object creation, object. Okay, creating a memory, randomizing, print default. See UVM default table printer. This is an argument for the print. See, it will print the hierarchy table. See how that look like. For which variable it will print only for B. Why? Because we have mentioned like we don't want for A. See here, name, type, size, value, object. Type is object, name is object, type is object. Okay, that value some random value we need not to remember. But we want for type, name is B. This is of type integral and size 8. Okay, value 165. Understood? Respond. Understood or not?
Yes,
Yeah,
yes,
bro.
Anna.
Okay. If you say if you don't understand, then I'll once again repeat, explain. Not a problem. See here, these two lines same for every program, right? Tick include UVM macros.svh, import UVM package, class object extends UVM object, type def enum. See, enum is taking multi, multiple values. Okay, 1 out to 0 means 2 bit. So maximum how many it can take? 2 power to 4 combinations. So S0, S1, S2, S3 state type. This is like a state machine. Okay, rand state type state. See, this state type we are assigning a name as state. Real temperature value. See, if we want to fraction values, then in our programming we will use float, right? Here we will use real. Integer values int, short int, long int, three types. Okay, string same string. Type UVM. See, standard construct is same. No need to explain again. Here object util same, object name end. Here state type state UVM default. This is UVM default. String UVM default. Temperature UVM default. For all these things, the table he is creating a table. Okay. O dot print UVM default table printer. So we will see. For all the variables, table will be created. See, object it is created. State type is created. Okay. str string is created. Temp real is created. Got it? Check once.
Here UVM means micros, right?
UVM means
Micros.
no. What micros?
Here, can you show me code?
No, he gave some string name. You can give any name. Your name also you can give. Okay. Okay. I'll edit it.
Here
See
28th line.
what
28th, 21, 22.
what?
In this code, 20th line.
I'm not able to hear your voice clearly. What?
In that code, 21, 22, 23, that fields are macros, right?
Which values? These values.
No, no, in that code, 21, 22, 23, that line.
Line numbers. You are telling line numbers, na?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that you should mention. I am not understanding. See, these are macros only. Tick means it's macro.
Okay, okay.
These are all macros.
Okay, okay. That's why I am.
No, it is mentioned like see UVM default means it will come UVM. For example, here string UVM default, right? If I give here no print, okay. See here. See string didn't print here. Understood?
Okay, I understood.
Okay. For example, UVM all on. For example, if I give like this, there are different so many different things will be there. It is like a flag. Okay, this is called flag.
Okay.
These things are there in UVM verification guide. You can go through it. Okay, these are called status. This is called these are two arguments of any of this macro. Okay, if UVM all on. Okay, did you find any difference?
Now a string is printed.
Yeah. If you go default also it's printing, right?
Yes, sir.
We added all on. See, the meeting will be end in 10 minutes. Rejoin again. Okay.
Okay.
I'll post it in the group. Why screen is not sharing? Okay, rejoin again. Screen is not sharing. I don't know why.